as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq guides, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Relax, the stream's about to start. With Nasdaq's melody, we'll capture your heart. Ooh, yeah. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay.
Welcome to the market where the bulls and bears play. Watch the numbers dance as we start a brand new day. With Nasdaq's colors bright and futures in our sight, we're here to own the future. Everything's alright. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Tickers on the rise, and some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now, let the market sway. With Nasdaq's rhythm, we're here to stay. Some may fall, but with Nasdaq's guidance, we can conquer all. Dynamic moves ahead in this financial hall. Join us on this journey, let's answer the call. Stream starting soon, just a moment away. Bull and bear in motion in a Nasdaq ballet. Own your future now,
I don't know.
Ah, there he is. There's the man.
Camera not working? Oh, maybe I gotta turn it on.
Wow, it's funny. Camera says back. Launch VCam says it. It says it backwards.
Well,
Okay. Let's try and take. You're on top today.
where
on the bottom screen.
My camera gone?
Well, we broke through the pre-market range.
I got camera. Order canceled.
Went back up
Got that.
into it, came back down. So again, looking at this zone here, it's not a surprise that we're rejecting off of it, right? Let's go back again, see if I can bring it into view.
What
How many times? That's that range over there. Tighten it up a little bit so you guys can see. It's been a problematic area over here for us to get through. Over here we got through it easy, but now again, twice couldn't get through it, and now we're struggling again. Just wanted to bring that to everyone's attention one more time.
Check.
What do you want me to check?
What's good on my end? Good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Mikey, good morning. Glad, good morning.
I thought he was talking to me.
Mike, good morning. Who else I missed? Anybody else I missed? Good morning. Running a little late. It happens. Not the first time. Probably won't be the last.
No.
How's my camera always in a different spot? Or something that doesn't move.
The short band bounce. Was there one? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Up 1.5 R. Band bounce. What are you using for your Renko boxes? I didn't get one. I didn't get a band bounce.
I had everything up and ready to go. Then my computer was running slow.
Look, I got nothing.
I had to restart it.
That's Renko 20, by the way.
And as I'm scrambling to get my computer going, Trading View's like, hey, look at me. Hey, you have to update your information. Really, Trading View? Now? I have to do it right now?
It's a good time as any.
Such is life.
Oh, come on.
Bounced off that value area high again for that range I've been talking about forever.
Market doesn't want to play ball with me.
If I was a better trader, I would just fade every time I hit that red line.
You told me you were a better trader.
Apparently not, because if I was, I would have faded every time I hit that red line.
Renko 20 period. Oh, okay, 20 period ADX VMA. Yeah, a little bit more sensitive. That's cool.
Good news is,
yeah, we're gonna have this.
I don't have to be the best trader to make money. Go ahead.
No, you don't. No, you don't. I was just gonna say to Mikey, as soon as we get that channel going, the CCC channel. Yeah, we're gonna. You know what? Maybe I should even create a CCC voice channel also, so we can go in there and chat it up. You know, what you're seeing by using a 20 ADX as opposed to me with the 50 ADX, the pros and cons of each, what we're experiencing. Come on, film me. Oh shit, it's true. I forgot. Let me close it. Agreed. Well, there you go. There you have it. Mikey agreed. We're gonna do it. Yeah, no, it really helps when you have multiple points of view, you know, as opposed to doing all the work yourself. Mikey likes it, yeah. What was that Shreddy's commercial or psyching? And give it to Mikey. He eats anything. I think it was Shreddy's. Mikey likes it best when someone else. Yeah, well, who doesn't, eh? But then you can't trust the work, right, Omnius? If someone else does the work, can you trust the numbers? Would you trust the numbers?
You talking about the work of building the bot or the work of testing it?
Building a bot, showing you the numbers, the results, telling you this, telling you, oh, it's got this, it's got that, it's got this kind of expected value. You talk about your bot. If I would build out your bot, I still wouldn't go with your numbers. I would have to build up my own bot.
Lewis, good morning. Just checking, do you guys not utilize
Oh, yeah, you're calling the bottom?
full screen on YouTube? Lewis, we do. We actually have multiple streams going. Click on the view channel and click on the horizontal stream. We also have features floor stream. So come over to the full screen and let us know when you get here.
Come on to the full screen stream.
Yeah.
Come and scream on our stream. Oh, yeah, they can't. They don't have a mic.
Unfortunately, we can't put links in the vertical stream, so there's no way for us to give you a link.
Unfortunately.
Isn't that dumb?
It's very unfortunate.
They're trying to push
It's
the
very unfortunate.
vertical streams and stuff. Well, give us a link where we can have people move around. Yeah, Lewis, just go to the channel and go to the home screen or whatever, and you should see the live stream there.
Did you say go to the homeless screen?
View channel. Go to home on the
Oh, I
channel.
heard you say homeless. The homeless.
Should be able to see by the thumbnail. One's a vertical thumbnail, the other one's a horizontal. Both should say live.
No, it doesn't show different size thumbnails for me. It just says vertical, I think, on the title.
Well, yours is the auto vertical from the live.
No. Even on yours, when I go to your thing, I don't think I see different. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me go see.
It does now.
But then again, are you talking on a browser or on a phone?
Either or, don't matter.
There's a bit of a difference, I think.
No,
Anyways.
it's still going to show the same vertical.
Yeah, there's a bit of a difference, I think.
The vertical's a girl. There he is. Got it.
Yeah, there you go.
Lewis, good morning. Welcome to the non-vertical stream.
Totally calling the market. I think we found a bottom. That was an early call there, Mikey.
And then we also got Mike's stream over there. We got streams everywhere.
I can't call the bottom yet. We still need a strong close. We need a close, at minimum, a close over an internal high. We haven't gotten one of those yet. And this is the 15-second chart, so it's pretty damn responsive. Don't cross streams. Yeah.
Still going down.
No, we're cross streamers. We master trade, and we're cross streamers.
Yeah. Cross streamers and we master trade daily. Chronic master traders.
That's it. We're master trading now in the overnight. Looks like it's a crap market maker. Well, it was your first day. Cross streamers. That is funny.
I ain't hanging out with no cross streamers. You guys are weird. Guys, we're not really cross streamers. But we kind of are, but not really. But kind of are, but not really. I don't know.
Oh, that was funny. My eyes are tearing. I don't know what to do.
Lewis, if you're around later, normally around 11:30, we do a giveaway game, play some games, have fun, do some qualifiers. And normally Monday through Thursday we do qualifiers, and then Friday we give away an account.
Normally?
We don't know what
I
we
see
do.
what you mean. You see, it's your vertical is a horizontal stream. The girl, because there's part of her picture grayed out, but there's still picture on the left and on the right. But yeah, I do see what you see. I do see what you're talking about. How it's the clear, bright part is vertical.
Lewis is a cash trader. Lewis, you trade futures or stocks? Or options?
Cash.
Well, you can trade cash and futures and stocks and options. NQ, sweet. You have a personal account.
The Malinois.
I have a personal account with AMP Futures. I trade the personal account, I trade the prop accounts, trade stock accounts.
My ADX just crossed? You mean one line crossed the other, Mikey?
It's supposed to do that, isn't it?
No, it's banned. Can't cross.
Oh.
If it's based on the Renko, the high and the low, I think it's time for a new computer.
25,564. Are you looking for the big dump then?
You guys can hear me. I'm in a trade. My heart monitor is
Get that one.
saying that I'm nervous
Are you nervous?
because I'm in a trade. I monitor my bio, that's biofeedback to see if I'm relaxed in the trade or I'm nervous. The alarm went off.
Yeah, Lewis, we're rejecting the high of this range here. I got this range drawn out for all the way back to September. Rejecting the high. I guess you're looking for it to go back down to the low also, or at least mid-range. Definitely see that. And we got this little hourly gap to fill. Yeah, you get more freedom with the personal account. But man, the losses hurt. The losses just feel a little bit different.
Mikey, how is this possible? Go check. Maybe the period's changed. Maybe one has a period of 50 and the other has a period of 20 or something. Maybe you did it by accident. Maybe Ninja Trader did it by accident. That would be my only explanation.
Ninja Trader does like doing weird stuff.
All kinds of weird stuff happens. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Hey, cool. I got out of the trade. I didn't like it. And yeah, that's an option too. Going to restart the machine. But like I said, just check the periods. Yeah, the pain and the dangers of a cash account. You better have a lot of trust and faith in yourself. I haven't gotten there yet. Wow, yeah, that is nuts. No explanation for that.
See, I tried to find a short stream. I had to go to the home, the channel, the home screen, then refresh several times. It's weird. I need to build a better system.
Yeah, I'm curious. Post it, Mikey, because I was thinking maybe they didn't cross. Maybe you just forgot to put your glasses on.
That happens to me sometimes.
Maybe it just looks like they cross because you're seeing it blurry. What am I looking for? Omni-Man. You're all the way up there, Omni-Man.
Lewis, you could always trade both. Trade the personal account and try out some of the prop accounts. The good thing about the prop accounts which is the reason I started trading them is maybe you get to a certain point in the day and you're done with the personal account. You don't want to risk no more on that. Start messing around with the prop account. They both have their benefits. Mike, the good thing about a personal account is there's really nobody over your shoulder. You just do whatever you want to make money.
Yep, that is true.
Tempting to put in a reversal pattern. From the buyer stepping in. Alarm's going off, time to wake up.
So I have a theoretical question. You know what I'm going to do? Let's do a poll.
Is that better than a philosophical? I can't even
Philosophical question.
Yeah,
philosophical.
Thanks for helping me out there, buddy.
No problem. We're also crosstalkers. Ask a question.
It's like in my mind, I knew what I was saying, but then like putting it into action. Like, how do you say it again? Philosophical.
Philosophical, yeah.
Only thing is, my rules would not hold up to props. There's different props. I don't know what your rules are. If it's scalping or something like that. One that I really like is Bullinox. They pretty much have the least amount of rules. So if some of your rules don't align with some of the other props, there's a few different options. For the most part, Bullinox has simple, straightforward rules. What they got? They got the 40% rule. You can't make more than 40% in one day. On the master account, the eval, you can do whatever you want. Master account, you can't make more than 40% in one day. What other rules they got, Mike? That's about it, isn't it?
I don't know, but here's the philosophical question.
Oh, and they have the trailing drawdown. I think you can get static also. So you just can't lose more than 2,500 of your highest unrealized gain. So it is unrealized. You have an $89 no activation account with 2 days to rebill, and you are 1,000 away from passing. You should go for it. You should trade normally.
What did you say? Do you risk going down to zero again and then starting from scratch and still paying the $89 and take that risk to try and avoid the $89 fee? Or should you just try to make your $300-400 in a day and maybe be short a couple $100, but so what? So they get you for another $89, and at least you're not at 50,000 in 2 days from now. You're at 52,750.
Oh, so you have to pay the $89 monthly?
Yeah.
I know. No, I'd have to go for that.
What would you do? You would try to avoid the $89 and then You lose, and then you got to pay the $89, but now you're at 50K again, starting from the beginning.
Who's the account with?
It's a theoretical question. It's with We Trade Futures, funded. Next. We Trade Futures, funded Next Partners.
I'm just saying, you asked a question, I answered it. Next.
Well, what did you say? Really? You should go for it. Yeah, it's a personal decision. I think you're better off mathematically, logically, to just pay out that 89. The goal is to get the payout. That gets you closer to payout. You know, if you were a hockey coach or a football coach or a baseball coach, they wouldn't go for it. They would play the stats. They want the win. The win is the payout. You're closer to the win if you just pay it. You know, you sacrifice a man or something.
So using that analogy, right? You brought the analogy up, right? So I'm gonna go with that same analogy that you brought up. Well, we're gonna do hockey because I went to the hockey game the other night. Remember that?
Yeah, I saw the pictures.
Okay,
Nice.
so our team.
Big arena.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't show you the Canadian flag, did I? Yeah, big arena. It's got the American flag and the Canadian flag. Yeah. So I guess their league goes all the way to Canada.
All the way to Canada.
All the way from one side of the America to the other.
We did invent hockey and pizza.
Did you really? You didn't invent no pizza.
I don't know.
Maybe hockey, no pizza. So anyways, so the score at the end was our team was down. It was 1-2. So we had 1, they had 2. So our team wasn't satisfied with that. So what they did was they pulled a move that I always thought was down. Yeah, I always thought it was stupid, right? But whatever. You're gonna lose anyways. There's like 5 minutes left. So what they did was they took away the goalie.
Yeah, you pull a goalie.
Yeah. It's like a last-ditch effort attempt.
Yeah, of course, because you're going to lose anyways. You pull the goalie, but you're down. The team up 2-1's not going to pull the goalie.
Right.
In my opinion, if you're at 52,000, you got to get to 53. You're the team with 2-1. You're not the team at 1-2. You got the lead. You got them by the balls. You're right there. You're right there, ready to pass.
So,
and now you're throwing it away.
In the end, it didn't work. The final score was 1-4. But
yeah, well, statistically, it's your best bet.
Yeah. Hockey version of a Hail Mary. Yeah. Mm-hmm. But I mean, if you've only got a few minutes left in the game, I mean, and you're already down, so yeah, it's pretty much the only shot.
Yeah, it's pretty shitty.
Maybe that's not the best analogy. You kind of brought that up, made me think of it, but
no, it's a good one. It's a good one. I just think you inverted it though. But
if I'm gonna pay $89 to redo an eval, I want the full eval. It's my opinion.
You're going to have the full eval. Not only that, you're going to start it at 52,300. You're going to start it instead of starting it in your end zone, if you want to compare it to football, you're going to be starting it on the 30-yard line of the opposing team. Imagine a football coach on the 30-yard line of the opposing team and throwing that away because he doesn't want to lose a down or something, you know? Nah, you don't do that. You lose a down. Sacrifice it.
Well,
stay where you are. Don't go all the way back into your end zone.
Sometimes playing it safe is losing.
I didn't say it was fourth and goal.
So what you're saying is, so the way I'm looking at it is you're comfortable in the loss because the alternative might be a bigger loss. I don't know.
No, you're going to pay the 89 anyways. You're not avoiding that.
Not if you
pass
it.
The 89 is being paid.
Not if you pass it.
You're right. There's three outcomes. You pass it, you will save the 89. You don't pass it, and you go for it, and you bust the account. You pay the 89, and you do it my way, but you don't pass, or maybe you pass. But I'll put it. You don't pass. So it's still a negative expected value because it's 2 times negative 89 or 0.66 times minus 89 plus 0.33 if I'm going to give equal chance for all of them. Anyways, look, it's a personal decision.
Still dumping?
Still dumping. We're right in that zone, eh?
At this point, looks like they're trying to go fill that hourly gap from yesterday.
No 15-minute retest.
What was it Lewis said? There somewhere. 25,564. Yep, that definitely looks possible.
Wow, go figure. Go fish.
Go fish.
I'd have moved down. What a candle. You know, I always wonder if I went back in time, just before this candle, and I knew that I had, of course I have yesterday's newspaper. Would I still have the balls, let's say, to put it all on the line and to hold it? Or would I still be nervous? I guess it depends on how many times I was able to go back in time, eh? If I knew it kept working, yeah, but if it was the first time, would I risk everything? Another philosophical question.
Might not have been listening.
You
were talking to me.
Not, eh? Nah, I think just talking to myself.
I'm resetting up my chart.
These are the things that go through my head. Luis, where are you from, if you don't mind me asking? The only reason why I'm asking is because you got Gator the Malinois.
Do you still have newspapers?
Do they still have newspapers? We do over here.
Lewis, you're from Florida?
No way.
What?
Wow.
Where I'm from, Lewis and Skeletor. I'm starting a Florida gang.
You guys are gonna have meet and greets, and I won't even be able to join.
We'll have to have a Florida Traders Party. Treasure Coast. I don't know where that is. That's South Florida?
Continental U.S. No.
We got people from everywhere. Mike's from Canada. I forget where Mikey said he's from. Got people from, wasn't it Nigeria, South Africa?
Everywhere.
All over the place.
Tell me, you pig.
Port St. Lucie sounds like South Florida. That's more Skeletor's area.
Are we stabilizing here? We gave back some money.
I'm more north central.
No, we're still going lower, eh? 92. We might go down to 85. There we go.
Dump it. Down 1% on the day.
It's funny.
What's funny?
Oh, long story. Fumile.
Umala?
Fumile. You remember what that stands for?
I don't know. Umala?
Fuck my life. Remember, Miss K came up with it.
You'd never be able to talk to these kids nowadays. That's all they talk in.
Mm.
You think they're trying to spell something. They done said like a whole paragraph.
Yeah. I knew it.
I have to start recording these kids and give it the GPT. Like, what are these kids talking about? Target hit. That was it. Good call, man. Lewis told y'all to go short way up here.
Okay, I escaped death. Why did I say Fumile? I wanted to enter an NQ, so I took like a, I don't know, 9 lot, 10 lot. I was on the gold chart in the wrong direction of the trend. I was trying to short NQ. I ended up shorting gold as it made that strong aggressive move higher from 49.26 to 49.42. Anyways, I DCA'd my way out of it. Oh, just so you know, I'm working on a PA. Not a PA, sorry. I'm working on, what do you call it? An eval. Trying to pass in 1 or 2 days, you know. They still have the $75. So maybe I can add another one to my inventory.
Was a nice measured move down also. Lewis, what was your reasoning for that trade? What were you looking for? I know it had a nice measured move. I know if you're looking for the bottom of the hourly gap.
Band bouncing, going long. Your bounds are fixed. Yeah, we'll see the bounce. 25, 565. Yeah, pretty much, eh? Is that what you call it?
Also, we had that order block right there.
We're going to call you Mr. Magic?
Daily
What was
mid.
that number you wrote? 25, 564. Wow. Where'd you get that from? Let me go look.
Interesting.
That is the, I don't see anything really there. Local, boom. Oh yeah, okay, I see. The 2 lows there on a few days ago, 2 trading days ago, Friday at 1 o'clock, which is very close to also the low of the day of Friday. Well, that's an interesting one to choose as a level, but it worked. It worked, it worked.
Wasn't the gold trade?
No, the level, the 565. That Mikey called is the bottom, 25, 565.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if gold can get back over 5,000.
Mm-hmm.
That would be interesting.
Target field. What's our ATR? The bot took a trade and it's like super close, looks like. Fix my ATR.
37, very high.
It showed it in that bot trade. Lewis, you trade any bots? Or you just manually trade everything? I have some accounts I manually trade, some accounts I use the bot to trade. Manual trader, sweet. Good thing about manual trading is you get a better look at the market. Good thing about bot trading is it can be super fast.
Okay, I'm up 941, trading carefully, waiting for proper setups. That's not bad. And you can only blame yourself. You can always only blame yourself. Even when you blame somebody else, you can really only blame yourself.
But can you blame somebody else?
You can, but you still have to blame yourself. In the end, it's you that pulls the trigger, that makes the decision, that does something. It's always you. Oh, really? Lighten up. Damn. What else is new, eh? So I go a little bit heavier because I'm up 900. I go to a 16 lot in NQ and I lose. So crazy.
If you're interested, watch previous day's high, low, and I always draw a midline between the two, play off that.
Oh,
Obviously, it doesn't work every day. Nothing works every day. That's what makes the market interesting.
I like the high-low. The previous day's high-low is a level.
Lewis, I'm always interested in learning different strategies and how different people look at the market. One of the reasons why we started streaming, meet new traders, learn how different people look at the market. So many different ways to look at the same thing. Mike, don't you track the previous day's high and low?
Previous day's high and low, yeah. I said it before. I do. I like it. I love them. Previous day's high-low, previous day's close, but especially the previous day's high-low. If you come into it aggressively, not slowly, not if you drift into it. But if you come into it pretty aggressively, they usually hold very strong. They're usually good reversal points for a scalp. Not for I'm not the kind of guy that's going to buy the low hoping for it to revisit the high of the previous day, but definitely for a scalp.
Now, Lewis, do you watch either the open or the close? I generally watch the open. Mike generally watches the close.
It's the same number. It's so close, except for Sunday night.
Yeah, I'm just used to the open. You're just used to the close. But I don't use it to trade off of it. I use it as generally the market gets really choppy when it gets in that area. So if you're watching the
Super Bowl on Sunday.
If you're watching the candles like that, would that be more of a candle market theory? Candle theory? What do they call it? Candle range theory. Do need to dive deeper in that. They got some interesting views. I think some of it goes back to that accumulation manipulation. Trade pre-market and open till noon. Yeah, it's hard to trade around noon. Everything just dies down.
Mm. Yeah, well, we all know what I say about afternoon trading, eh? You know how scared I am of that.
You can find some good trades in the afternoon. Most of the afternoon trading I do is while I'm doing other work. And there's some days, man, where you just can't stop trading. It's just nonstop. Just like, here's money, here's money, here's money, here's money. You want some more? Take some more money.
Yeah, today's a good day. Price action is being kind to me.
I mean, if the afternoon's moving, it has good structure, you can get some really good trades in there. But I think if you do it every day, then you're probably trying to force trades.
Price action is being good to me.
Oh, yeah.
There's continuation. And it's not too erratic. Gold has settled down. Got a nice trade in gold working out over here with a sell limit in place. Recovered the losses from the overnight session. Last overnight session.
Hard because I got two bots going. I don't know which one's taking trades.
Yeah, I'm going to close it out.
Dude, you went wrong about the 1 minute. I can ask you either. Oh yeah, great signals.
Let them settle down.
Let's look at today. That one was a great. So I wouldn't have taken this last one because it's kind of sideways. The charts might be a little different. I don't remember if I did on this chart. I changed my the way my super trend colors a little bit because I ran it through what's it called? Life's hard when you're trying to think. Cumulative delta. So a couple of them I ran through the cumulative delta. But I was working on the bot some more yesterday. What I had yesterday, I don't even remember. I tried to add where I can move the entries around. Haven't even tried that yet. Oh, that's what I added. So Mikey, I asked Claude, I said, look, the bot works great, but of course it's based on a super trend, and super trend is just not stable, an unstable indicator. I said, what can I do to make the historical data match the live data, not have so much instability? And Claude said the instability comes from the type of moving average, either like an EMA or a volume moving average or the HMA. So Claude redid the bot with the SMA and said that's the only one I should be using. So the SMA is not as what do you say? It's takes longer, so it's not as there on point. But I'll have to try it out. So hopefully it'll be more stable. I can trust it a little bit more.
Well,
Still done?
bit of a move down. Bit of a move down.
Yeah, let's get them. We did fill that gap. I don't know how much I trust further movement down. don't see any reason for a push up either, but I guess we got a little bit of structure right here.
Mm.
Build that gap, so that's done. Even that structure, I feel like it's kind of pushing it a bit. I wouldn't trade off of that.
I just feel like we're in an inflection point now, right now on NQ. Actually, we got a little bit of a price expansion. If we can break an internal low without taking out this low, and then take out an order block, we'll have a long trade. I'll watch it. We'll see. That'll be my next trade. I'll take that one. So, final step I need is to break this swing low. That'll make it an A+ trade if we can take out this swing low. Okay, there we go. We took it out. Now I need to close above this bar here.
Get the sellers trapped.
If we can get a close above this bar, we have a long. We got to close above the bar. I'm long. F8. I'm going to put my stop there. I'll add at the 50 line. I'll add over here, targeting 25,600.
Usually when the market hits a big move like this, it will consolidate for a while. Yeah. Or the first attempt will have issues. I don't think he's going for that large of a move though, so.
There we go. This is where my son would move his stop to break even. There we hit full target. If you had a limit order in, hopefully you got filled. I got out a little early. Beautiful trade though. That one was textbook. That one was textbook. A+ setup. Right to target. No opportunity for an add though at the 50% for the retrace. Turn that piece into a 3-to-1 trade, but there you go. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful.
Do you think buyers are looking to come in, but they'll have to show some structure first? For me.
Hey, did you see the short I posted yesterday? Did you see the ending of it?
No.
Oh, it's so funny.
I have to go watch it.
It's 30 seconds. You can't give me 30 seconds of your time.
When did you post it?
Last night. I don't remember what time. Maybe 7 p.m.
When exactly do you think I had time to watch it?
7:30 p.m.
Probably eating dinner.
Yeah. Oh, really? I thought you guys were 6 o'clock dinner people.
We are.
Again, I raised size and I got hurt. Not too much, an 8 lot, but still. Well, respected my stops. I was at 1,300. I'm at 1,100 now.
Yeah, sellers.
See how far I can get.
Sellers stepping back in.
Any insights on the CVD?
Yeah, sellers are stepping back in. Straight down, they're dumping it.
Who would you say is stepping back in right now, the sellers or the buyers? Yeah, it is dumping. Oh.
Oh, man.
Mm-hmm.
I still can't move my take profit and stop loss. Guess it didn't work. I have to tell Claude to work on it some more. I was excited about that one. I don't know why Ninja Trader makes it so hard to set it up the way it moves your take profit and stop loss. Isn't that just common sense?
Yep.
Another one? Golly.
Gold is dangerous. You know what I think gold is like? Gold is like sitting at the poker table with a pair of kings. And someone goes all in. It always puts you in a, for me, it always puts me in an uncomfortable position. Like I'm risking too much. It moves in spurts. And can really hurt if you're on the wrong side of it. Well,
I was looking at the...
Psst. Psst. That's when you miss a trade. Connection lost.
I was looking at it and I was like, well, damn, it's right there. It's got to go further. And then it's like 20 points. I'm like, damn, already?
Ooh.
I ain't even on the right chart. Stupid charts. When we get an auto feature, it just knows what chart I'm looking at.
Yeah, I don't remember what platform I used to use that didn't even allow you to link the charts. If you changed one, the others didn't change. What platform would that have been? Wow, is that ever frustrating?
You're right. Mikey, I got the 1 minute bot and the 2600. Kind of hard to watch them both at the same time. I don't know which one's in a trade. I need another chart.
Whoa, look at gold. Gold's cleaning up with the bot. Wow, nice day for gold.
Gold is still in an uptrend. It's kind of sideways, but it's kind of an uptrend. And we're bouncing off of that low there. It'd be a nice long in gold.
Nice strong recovery here in Q. Okay. Gold's drifting lower still. Couldn't give me these numbers. You get a lot more interest when your numbers are green overnight. Did you notice? Actually, you did good trading overnight last night. I was very impressed. This is where you say thank you.
Trying to convince my eye to stop burning.
Hey, when that happens.
I think it's cold. Whole family's been a little sick. I think my eyes have suffered the most. Well, every day now my eyes are bothering me.
Both the 1 minute 26 have only made winners this morning. Don't you love it? I said price action has been very favorable today for this type of trading.
Well, my 1 minute bot just took a small loss because it ticked the take profit and then came back.
I just committed a cardinal sin. I got in early to save a point.
But yeah, for the most part, only winners today.
Come on, lock it in at 57. I'm in at 53. We're targeting 64. We're there already. Wow, that was quick. That was quick. That was quick. That was quick. So it doesn't matter what you're watching. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Let's go take a look at the 2600.
I got a.
Oh, wait a minute.
On the 2600, I have a 76% win rate for the last 5 days.
Mikey, you using the 2600 with the super trend or with bands? With the ADX bands. Bands? No kidding. Serious? How do you do that?
But I got 2600 with bands.
I thought you guys were using the super trend. Nobody told me.
I used the super trend. I used the 50 period bands.
You guys are leaving me out of the boys club.
I didn't mention to Mikey about using bands. He either solid or just liked the bands.
Yeah. Nice entry. I got to add on this.
Oh, the bands work great.
Entry, 64
for the pullback.
57. 64, 71. Come on, get up to 71 before you stop me out. Anyways, didn't lose much on that.
And I added the higher time frame super trend.
I see a thing that works and put it on everything. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, that's like how we are with hot sauce.
Mm-hmm.
And pepperoni.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Trying to put in a reversal pattern again. We could see longs try to come in.
Bands. Let's see what the bands look at. So what is it? ADX 20, Mikey? On the 2600. Let's put those up and see what it looks like. Just out of curiosity, why do I have 3 super trends? Why would that even make sense?
Lewis, if you're wondering who else we're talking to, Mike is also streaming live, and people chat over there also.
Oh, wow, I did have one.
If you want to, a lot of people go back and forth between the streams. If you ever want to go to one or the other, find his, you can just type in !FF, or you can see the link in the top of the description, or if you're on his channel and you want to find mine, you can type in !O, or the link's in the top of the description, or the chat somewhere. Generally it runs in the chat every so often. Try to make it easy for everybody to go back and forth. What did somebody say? It's like trading in stereo.
I like that. Gave back some profits on the So what is it, Mikey? Basically, once you touch the bands, when you're below the bands, if you touch the bands from below, obviously that's going to be bullish Heikin-Ashi candles, and you just wait for the first bearish Heikin-Ashi candle and use the most recent swing high as your stop. As simple as that. Huge 30-minute fair value gap parked above. Yeah, I see it.
Probably the same as the hourly one I was looking at. Oh, no, you're talking today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't get a, I mean, yeah, I got a band bounce at about 10:03. Is that when you were saying it? The 20 Renko stop loss levels for scalping. The scary bit is that the wicks are invisible. You don't use the wicks because the only way it makes a wick is if it doesn't complete the bar. So, use a complete bar, a complete opposite bar, and the wicks are irrelevant at that point.
now we're getting into that choppy area with the longs and the shorts fighting each other out.
Mm.
This is where you got to kind of pause that system for a little bit. Wait for more direction.
Getting a little chopped up in gold. Gave back quite a bit. It was up 700. Now it's only up around 400. I need to move down. Nice move down. I mean, this is a good system because remember we said in order to be an elite trader, you have to add to your winners. This adds to the winners.
Which one?
The Omni bot that I'm running, Omni-Man bot or whatever, and the Renko runner, the combo. Yeah, Mikey, I just read your comment. The one thing I would focus on is find entries where you can have a close stop. Let the rest go. If you can find entries, if you can visualize, frame a trade around an area where you can put a loss of about 3 bars max, you're golden. Yeah, 3 bars is the sweet spot. 2 is great too, but you'll get stopped out a lot more because 2 bars is just 1 bar reversal, really. It's the bar you entered on, and then a new bar in the opposite direction.
I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah, 3 bars requires it to go 2 bars against you. And the only way I know to do that is not only a band bounce, but it's got to touch the farther band, not the closer band. That way, once it touches the farther bound, you're most likely in the territory of only 3 Renko bars stop. Look, they have a lot of potential. This system has a lot of potential to pass evals. Because if you get stopped out a bunch of times, you just increase size a little bit. I know that's a little counterintuitive, but oh yeah, you're increasing size after losers. Yeah, but you're using it to pass evals, and it's very unlikely you're going to be hitting the bottom bound, bouncing and going under over and over and over and over. It's probably because the thing is, you can hit the band and bounce like 6 times in a trend, but you can only cross it once. And many times when you cross it, you don't even bounce. It just goes right through it. So obviously the odds are in your favor. Like right here, let me put up the Renko. On the long side, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you're scalping, and then this one went through, but there was no band bounce trade. It just went right through it. And then here again, we went right through it, and then again, now we have a band bounce. 1. We went right through it, so we didn't take a loss. A band bounce. 2, that's another winner. We went right through it. We don't take a loss. Here's the band bounce. I wouldn't take these. That's another winner. So yeah, you get multiple winners with a relatively quick 1-to-1 move to be. I think the loss rate is less than 30%. Yeah. That would be right. I don't know if you know. I mean, I trade Renkos. My main system is my main system is a Renko running off Top Step, and that's it. Those are exactly my numbers. It's 73. You'll hear me refer often. This is a 73% trade, and here's how I make it really good because it's actually an inverted trade. It only goes for 1 bar, and it risks obviously 2 bars for the trend to change, but I'm using 7-point Renko bars. So when I get an entry, I wait for 4-point move in the opposite direction of the setup. And if I can get that, I have a 73% chance where I'm going to make those 4 points plus the 7. So I'm going to make 11. And instead of losing 14, I'm only going to lose 10. So now I have an 11-point profit target with a 10-point stop at a 73% probability of getting filled. Of hitting take profit. So just fighting for better price, you know, again, wait for the entry and then fight for better price. Like you said, with limit orders, you'll miss them sometimes. But again, what's crucial is you're making your loss smaller. And at that point, you can get aggressive and say, you know what, I'm going to go for 5 bars, 6 bars, because your loss is so small. What are your ADMX settings? I think I'm using 50 or 200. I have no idea. I don't remember. I'm using a high number. It's got to be 50. Yeah, there you go. Sorry. I think it's on this chart. There it is. It's 50. Yeah, 200 would be too high. 200 was the DEMA, the DEMA. That's why I said 200. I forgot. And on NQ, I am also using 50. Let me just confirm that. 50, yeah. Yeah, you're going to get a lot more entries with the 20. A lot more band bounces. I try to cut that down because it's sometimes it gets ridiculous how many trades you take in a day. Plus, I have my other system, you know, so... NQ's moving up nice. So ease up on the sensitivity. Yeah. The higher you put it, the less trades you'll have. You know, most people would be super happy with a system that gives them 3 trades in the morning session from 9:30 till, let's say, 12. You'll certainly get 3 trades with the 50. I mean, let me go look at the 50. Let me go look since 9:30. How many trades we got today? Starting at 9:30 on NQ 1. Okay, I'm going to count a profit target of 2 bars, so that means the trade is finished. 1, 2, and it's 2 winners. Not so much. 2 winners. I'm already at 1033, 1038. No, just 2 winners. That's it. So not much, but still, that's good. There you go. 1 loss and 1 full win. Well, I counted the. For me, it was 2 bars, and mine is showing that it was a winner. Let me go back again. It was at 9:47. We got triggered in, and it went 2 bars. So that would have been 10 points, which is what trades by Matt. Yours didn't close above the channel. I don't know. Let me show you. Oh, you're right there. Okay, here. Let me. There. That's the first one. Right there. So you hit the bottom channel. You got in 1 bar, 2 bars. Take profit. Then we came down and we touched the bottom bar, but we got below it. We got above it. We got below it. I would take that one, even though we didn't touch the upper bar. We got that one, and I think that was the only 2. The ones I don't take, when they just kiss it, when you can't even tell if it crossed the lower bar, or lower band or not. Let's see if I can find some in gold. Let's open it up. Here, like these, right there. See where you just kissing the line? And when the chart is small, when the chart's compressed, when the chart's compressed, you really, but no, a line kiss I won't do.
Who are you kissing?
So right now here, yeah, the line. Right here is a line kiss. You go red, I'm not taking it. So I wanted to go one higher. This is gold. So that was a good one. And this is not a good one. This is a good one. And here we went right through. And this is a good one. This is also a good one. It's through, but we would have been in on that trade. This is a good one. Here we went right through. That's a good one. So gold is killing it today on these types of trades.
Lewis says he likes the Renko bars, but don't like when they move 5 to 10 bars in a second.
Then his Renko bars are too small.
Yep, Renko bars are too small. Also, that kind of shows the volume in with the bars. Because
some people
you're moving that much, that range, and there's a lot of volume, a lot of force behind it.
Yeah, but a lot of people are showing, those Ninja Renkos, the 42 or whatever, which means it's a new bar every half a point.
Oh, God.
And they make it look like, oh, look, I got 10. You didn't get 10 nothing. The thing moved 10 bars in an instasecond.
Oh, yeah, I've seen some of those videos.
Yeah, we covered that with someone once. I was showing, we went to the live market, and I said, no, look, it looks beautiful, but you're not getting in. Don't fool yourself. You're not getting in on that entry.
Lewis,
and the losses are large.
Can't get away from the 1 minute, 15, and 1 hour charts. That's what he looks up. I like the hourly chart. It gives you a nice zoomed out view of the market. Especially if you're looking for things like support and resistance.
Mikey, it's very simple. My bias switches when I have a full bar below, and I want it to be obvious. I don't want these close ones for me. Look, I break the rules, but if you're following the rules, if I would be teaching my sons, I want a full bar below. My bias is short. Then I want to see a cross of the channel. Not these here where there's your kisses. There's a cross of the channel, and I would enter on the first continuation bar. So I would be short there. What I was telling you about, if you want to get a better price, try to put your entry price over here. See where my cursor is? Put in a limit order when it triggers. And unless it goes to take profit, so you would have gotten the entry over there, you would have gotten a better price. And boy, is that going to explode your numbers. So right now on gold, there would be a short. And you could have gotten a better price. And now that I see it, I'm going to take it for a 2-lot if I can get back in for a better price. There we go. So that's a little bit of a better price. I got filled on one.
Still got some buyers right here on the NQ. They haven't given up.
I'm going to cover their piece if I can. That'll reduce my risk and almost make it a free trade. I didn't get filled, unfortunately. It's too bad.
NQ's down 1.3% on the day.
Don't like that it came back up.
Well, gold's up 6.3%.
Gold is up. Nice, yeah.
Just 6.3%. Real nice.
So if you see what I mean, Mikey, the actual entry on this trade was at like 943, wait, 43.3, and I'm in at 44.5, so I have a point better. So not only am I making a point more, I'm losing a point less. But not all the time do you get filled. Sometimes it runs without you. And it's too bad this didn't get filled. Because that takes away the risk off the trade. I like to go in for a 2-lot and take the risk off the trade quickly.
Is that delta on the bottom of the chart? Give me a second. Which chart are we looking at? Yes, that is delta. But it's a weird delta. How did I run it? Got the delta ran. I don't know. Yeah, it's delta.
Shit. That was a fast switch of the bid and the ask.
All right, I remember.
You were able to see.
It's a Heikin-Ashi indicator plotted on top of the delta. So it turned the delta into a Heikin-Ashi, and then it has a super trend on it also. I've been getting more into the cumulative delta, but I don't like the longer time frame cumulative deltas. So you see, I don't know if you've seen this chart over here earlier. I can go back to it. These are my delta indicators right here.
I don't like this trade anymore.
And one's the M and Q, and the other one's the NQ.
We'll see if I was stupid.
And they're we're only looking at what, like the past 10 minutes, if that, 8 minutes. I'm looking for like, what's the delta doing right now? And a lot of times on a good move, you can see a nice spike in the delta. And sometimes you'll even see the delta spike up or spike down right before the move, and you have it zoomed in like that.
I don't know, Gilad. I don't see a short at 49.54. I really don't. And I'm also looking at the bar here, the candle of the daily. We're in a strong move up. And 49.54. I mean, just the level over here. Yeah, I mean, maybe. I don't know. Depending on what you're targeting. Are you just targeting for a quick scalp? Wow, NQ did a nice move.
Mm-hmm. Yep, buyers are there. See if they can build structure and turn this thing around.
Oh, one other little thing that might help you there, Mikey, is take a look at YM. YM likes to move very, very smooth sometimes. You can come up with some creative ways with Renko bars to trade YM. Your imagination will open. It's a smooth trader. So there, we added. I got a full position in gold. Let's see if we get a move. I hope. How am I doing on my pass in a day or pass in 2 days? I'm at 1,400 right now. I was at 1,500. I lost a little bit. Play by play. Last you heard, I was up 12. I went back down to 9. Got back up to 12.
Tried another one, limited again. I can't get away from it. They hate me. Build a bot around your delta. Looks good for scalping. Yeah. It's hard to build a bot around delta though, because the more things you route a bot through, the more inconsistencies you're gonna have.
Are you talking about what you downloaded yesterday? Is limited?
No, I tried a different one.
Okay, we'll use that one. Try that one. Worked for me.
Yeah, Lewis, you can kind of see that this is a 2600 volume Heikin-Ashi chart. You can kind of see where the candles are colored by a super trend. A really tight super trend. You can kind of see where the delta bars, they all kind of line up together. Putting them together just kind of gives you a little bit extra confirmation. Of course, the disclaimer. Of course, today is like the prime day for this chart. It's a trend trading strategy. So of course you get in the chop or you get in the low volume. Not going to work as well. Days like that, you just want to look for the best setups and look for other structure to go along with it. I also like to use this trading view chart over here as a 2-minute chart. I like to use that for direction. So I have a 50-period EMA bands. Below the bands, looking for shorts. Above the bands, looking for longs. Yeah, I mean, it works on non-trending days also, but it's if you just look at it today, you know, you're not getting the full picture of the chart. I'm not one of those people to mislead people and be like, oh yeah, it's gonna be like this every day. No. But it's a decent chart, and I also use the 1 minute. So this one, well, I'll switch back over. This one here is the 1 minute. You can see it gives pretty good signals also. Really just looking for a nice pullback with a decent structure, something like that. Candle change, scalp it short. Try not to take the ones that are kind of sideways. Looking for a nice structured pullback, and then go. And then same thing, look at the 2-minute chart for direction. I find the 2-minute chart does really well for direction. Like now, this one's showing long, and this could be a good long signal. I mean, you definitely could take it. But we're still short on the 2-minute. So while this is a good signal, good trade, it'd be a little bit better if it was going with the 2-minute. I don't even think the bot took it. Nope, even the bot didn't take it. Yep, starting to get in some higher lows. Getting that kind of rounding at the bottom. See if the bulls can keep it going. What I'd like to see, though, is break above the moving average there. Maybe a retest and then go. And sometimes I'll use these bands. Normally they're together. Past few days have kind of been separating a bit.
It's so funny. They say NQ is the beast. NQ is a tame kitten compared to gold, in my opinion.
Right now.
I just went to trading NQ and I said, ooh, this is relaxing.
Mm-hmm.
Gold is fucking high octane, man.
Yeah. up 6.5%. I don't care what you're in. If it's up 6.5%, that's volatility right there.
New high water mark, 1,600. Getting there.
Eyes are killing me, man. I feel like somebody threw sand in my eyes or something.
Mm.
Let's see.
I do. Mikey does.
What does he do?
He does. Not your business.
Well, of course he does. But what does he do?
What happens on the Futures Floor broadcast stays on the Futures Floor broadcast.
Oh, that's not what I was told the other day.
Yeah, you set the new rules.
Maybe he's getting married. I do.
Wow, it's 10:59.
Getting hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting impatient. That's it. I know 11 o'clock is my cutoff point. I'm going to get a long trade also soon on TradingView. Giveaway. Good morning, Bangs.
Bangs, good morning.
It's giveaway question mark. Please help me out. It goes automatically in the file. I don't have to do anything. I know it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, way to go. Thanks, Bangs. It just makes the good morning. It just makes the administrative work easier for me. That's all.
Mm-hmm. You write Lewis down for the giveaway game?
Yeah, he's in.
Ooh. Futures Floor. How do you feel about becoming part of U.S. states? LOL. No, we don't want them.
Sign me up. Are you kidding me? 200% for it.
I feel like Canada and U.S. is so similar anyways.
Doesn't matter. Make one big country. Be a superpower. Be a superpower.
Super.
Yeah, a superpower. That's kind of like when you have a bad day. I was even talking to my family and saying if Alberta is going to do it, there's no borders in Canada, obviously, just like there's no borders in the U.S. You can go from Florida to North Carolina. It's going to say, okay, we should go rent an apartment, make our address in Alberta, and we'll become American. But my wife, I think we had this conversation. My wife, what about my work?
Miss K, hello.
Good morning, Miss K. You get a job in the U.S.
Now, if you're in Canada, can you just move to the U.S. or do you have to go through immigration?
No, we're not accepted really in the U.S. They save it for less for more needy people. You know, they assume this is what I was told. We already have a good life, so you don't need to come to the U.S. kind of. Now, we can come in if we're going to commit a certain amount of money and open a business and hire people, or if we're sponsored by a company and we have a skill that they can't get. You know, you want a work visa, but in general,
I've watched videos with guys with like supercars and stuff from Canada, and they come to the U.S. and go to events and stuff. And
bring money.
The guy was saying that like Canadian driver's license works in the U.S. and
It does, of course. Sure, we cross the border. We go shopping into New York and stuff. You know, we just cross the border. Yeah, absolutely. No need for anything special.
Yeah, I don't even know how that stuff works.
Well, you just drive. Yeah, if you wanted to come visit Montreal, you just get to the border. Hi. How you doing today, sir? I'm good. He looks in your car to see who you traveling with. My wife, my kids. Can I see your passports? He looks at them. How long you staying? 4 days. Where you going? To the Hyatt in Niagara Falls. Okay, sir. Have a good day. To come in, very easy. To go back into your country, then they're going to ask, did you buy anything? Can we look in your trunk? And that kind of stuff, you know?
Oh, yeah, of
but
course.
To go in, to cross the customs to go in, you're going to cross Canadian customs. They want you in. They just ask general questions, put you in the system to know how long you're staying so they can, you know, make sure you came back into your country. That's it.
I was mad when we went on a cruise because they're like, you can only take 2 bottles of whiskey back to the, what do they call it? Like, you have the states, right? You have the U.S., but then you have like the
international waters.
Well, you have international waters, then you have like the general U.S. and then like territories and stuff.
Okay.
I guess to go from the Bahamas back into the U.S. properly, you gotta go through customs. And they're like, oh, well, you can only take 2 bottles of whiskey. I'm like, dang, what am I gonna do with all this whiskey? Guess I'll have to drink it. Then we get back, right? We're going through customs, and they didn't look at anything. They didn't give a damn about nothing. Like, come on, let's go. I'm like, man, I could have took bags of whiskey.
Yeah, sometimes they don't look at anything, and sometimes they give you a colonoscopy.
I had more trouble getting into a theme park than getting into the country.
I guess it depends on which agent you get.
Yeah.
Miss K, thanks for the support. Appreciate it. Telling people to smash the like. I like that. Thank you. I appreciate that. Guys, listen to Miss K. She knows what she's talking about.
Hello, so they did some missions with Canada military. Some tough guys. They are tough guys. Eyes are blurry. I think Canada's too big to be a territory. I would say just make them a territory, but
no.
I guess they're too big.
We got more land than you.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Gold is crushing it, guys. I'm closing the trades. Up 1369.
You're saying Canada has more land than the U.S.?
As far as I know, yeah, we have a bigger land mass.
Why do you always see like part of Canada or something?
I don't
never
know what that even
understand.
means. Part of Canada, because you're
Like
only looking
Russia.
at part of the map.
Like Russia has like this huge land, but then they always say like, oh, well, they only use like this little part of it or something. Where's my map? I'm trying to look at my map. Can't find it.
Well, every country just uses only a part of their land. The rest is for farming and
Yeah.
master planting, cross-pollination.
And Canada goes all the way to Alaska?
I have no idea. I don't know who owns Alaska.
Well, the U.S. owns Alaska. I'm saying,
Oh, you guys own Alaska?
yeah.
That seems like that should be Canadian.
Alaska?
No offense, but Alaska it should belong to Canada. We're a northern country. You're the southern country. We're the northern country.
Is that
It's
true?
like Mexico.
Sasquatch is from Canada?
Yeah, Sasquatch. Sasquatch is from anywhere people smoke drugs and drink beer at night.
I guess we got Bigfoot. Y'all got Sasquatch?
Yeah. Same one, same guy.
I guess Canada does have a lot of land, don't they? What's all those like islands or whatever above y'all?
I don't know.
You freaking live there.
I don't know
Like-
where you're looking at the map. If you're
There's
looking to the
Canada.
right, if you're looking to the left,
You look above Canada, there's Nunavut. None.
Nunavut. Yeah, that's
Nunavut?
Yeah.
Is that Canada?
Eskimo. Yeah, that's Eskimo territory.
Okay, well then all around that there's like islands.
Yeah, it's
Like
called the
everywhere.
Eskimo Island. Yeah, Eskimania. Eskimo land.
So Canada owns all that?
Yep.
Or no?
Yep.
Damn, Canada's freaking huge, ain't they?
Yeah, we're very big. With only, well, I don't know what the population is now, but last I checked, which was a long time ago, it was only 30 million. That's when you guys had 300 million. So I think you guys have 400 million now? 460?
Really?
I think we're up to 42 million
calm
now.
down. We don't want no 400 million. I have to Google that now.
That's a lot of people.
No wonder the roads are always so busy.
Mm. I'm not in the mood to trade anymore.
It says 342. We haven't really grown that much.
Oh, wow.
It was 300 like 10 years ago or so.
Yeah, a long time ago. I thought you guys were into the 400s already.
Yeah, 342. Haven't really grown that much.
Mm. You guys should loosen your borders. Maybe have open border policy or something. And
didn't we do that for 4 years?
Yeah, I was being sarcastic. Fucking open borders. Bunch of hypocrites who do that. Yeah, why don't you sleep with your doors open and let anyone who wants to come in sleep in your house? When you do that, then you can scream for open borders.
Right. Bama, good morning. Haven't seen you in a while.
Nobody thinks when they talk.
Mike, there's this guy over here, Roll Tide.
No way. Bama's back?
Bama, how you been?
Bama's back. Where? Roll Tide. Hey, Bama's back. Way to go.
Been busy. Sweet. Busy's good.
Busy is good. Nice to see you, Bama.
Looking at maps. Didn't realize Canada was so big. You kind of zoom out. The U.S. looks kind of small. Mexico looks even smaller.
Mexico. Mexico's small.
No wonder Trump's trying to get Canada. Good to see y'all. Good to see you, Bama. Get off this map. Play some games here in a little bit. Y'all gonna hang out?
Omnius.
Bama, how's the trading been?
Okay, while he talks to Bama, I'm going to talk to you guys here in my room. Just to let you know, 72% of you voted for Omnius to change his name. I just forgot what it was. Oh, Oompa Loompa.
She says Canada's big, but where do the people live? Yeah, don't all the people live in like one side of Canada or something?
In our homes. Well, close to the border of the U.S. You know, in the land that's close to the border, like let's say within 300 miles of the border.
So is that because the more north you go, the colder it is?
Yeah, it gets pretty unpleasant.
Hell yeah, here in Florida it was like 25 yesterday. It was unpleasant. Haven't been trading. School during the day and work at night. I didn't know you go to school.
Oh, well. I haven't been trading. I've been in school during the day and working at night. Yeah, I know he was working at night, but yeah, no, I didn't know he was working. He was going to school. I think Butters is also working at night now. I'm not sure. I think he changed his shift.
Yeah, a lot of people working at night.
It's too bad he doesn't stop by anymore. Butters, Mike Stunts. I enjoyed their company. Joker was fun. He had a friend, I forgot his name. Puff, Mr. Puff or something like that. Wow, that guy. Crispy! That's it. He reminded me of Krispy Kreme, the donuts. Man, that guy was funny. Crack you up. Everything that came out of his mouth was like roll on the floor laughing.
Who?
Crispy, Joker's friend.
Oh, yeah. Iguanas haven't moved for days. I seen the Florida guy videos. He said iguanas fall out the trees when it get cold.
say
OMG Wix.
They say you have a problem with that in Florida. Is that true, or it's just YouTube exaggerating to make it a video interesting?
Iguanas falling out the trees?
No, just iguanas. Like an overpopulation to their.
No.
What do they call that? Not an infestation.
No. We have an infestation of snakes.
And iguanas are cute. They're adorable.
Was it pythons? I think we have
Oh my goodness.
an infestation of pythons. Guess they took over the wetlands.
Wow. And you make it into the city? Ish, like not downtown, but the suburbs.
Probably more south. Yeah, they took over the Everglades. I think the governor declared it an emergency or something.
Oh yeah. How venomous are they?
I don't think
Just
they're venomous.
discomforting the one. Oh no. How can you said python, no?
I'm thinking of the wrong one. The big snakes.
Yeah, pythons are pretty big. Oh, those are the strangled snakes, I think.
Yeah, they strangle you.
Constrictors, yeah, those are the strangled snakes. The official word, that's right, Mikey. The dumb people say strangle snakes. The smart people use the word constrictors.
I don't know either way. Bam, I'm not chasing a degree. Yeah, we know. You're just going for the parties. Mike,
It's like a
see if
fucking
Bama gets us into some of the
kindergarten
college parties.
Where do you have that? I'm in Lewis. I remember Mom, Bama, Lewis, Roll Tide. I haven't been training in school during the day, working at night. Where do you got that? Oh, there. Not chasing a degree. Just had to go to school for a CDL. They will pay you per pound to put them out of the Everglades. Oh, the snakes. I thought the iguanas.
I didn't know they'd pay you to go get them. Y'all want to be snake hunters? Iguanas are considered evasive.
That's the word. I said invasive. Evasive? Invasive. It's invasive.
What did I say? That's why I said invasive.
Yeah, I heard you say evasive. Where are you getting that? Are you reading? I give up.
It's in the chat.
I don't see any of it, and I'm on live chat.
Aramara mom says that she would go do it. She would too. I'd be the one running.
I'd be the one running. I guess it depends on how much they pay you per pound. If it's $100 a pound, I don't know. I'd consider it. If it's 10 cents a pound, I'll let somebody else do it.
Did you say hi to Aramara mom?
I did. Hello, Aramara mom. How you doing? My name is Mike. Canna Mike, as you guys call me.
Canada Mike.
Canada Mike.
Oh yeah, she's the one that came up with that name.
What do you say about that video I showed where it started off with why I co-stream? Why do I co-stream with Omnius? Because he's funny. I don't know what else I said.
Did you ever post that one?
No, and then I said he's super friendly, and then he gets to talk a little bit. Shouldn't I post that? No, you look offended by it, so I didn't post it.
Oh.
You looked upset. You looked angry at me.
Oh, that was funny.
You were all serious when you were talking.
You always say that.
I say, okay, I'll leave it. So I can post it? I'm dying to post it.
Post it.
Okay.
She said it was hilarious.
It is. It's fucking hilarious.
Kid laughed. They're all against me.
Everybody laughed. Whoa,
Turn
look
them all
at
against me. That was bothering me.
I shouldn't have covered. I shouldn't have covered. I would have had it. It would have been at 3Gs now. Anyways, doesn't matter.
Bama going for the truck driving. You can find some good paying jobs truck driving. I'm sorry. Ha ha ha. I see what you did there. So
how far did I get? 1,600. my high water mark. I'm kind of out of trades. If I can get it to 2,000, 2,100, let's say tonight early in the evening session, let's say between 6 and 7 o'clock, and then I'll have 900 to deal with tomorrow. I'll pass one more. That'll be cool.
That means it's time to play games. I don't know if I feel like trading anymore. Going sideways.
Yeah, I'm just fully out of it. I just don't have the brain for thinking anymore.
How's the markets been? It's been pretty good the past week or so. I don't know. They've been pretty good. Actually, probably since the new year. Been pretty good.
I've been picking at him about it since. Hey, sorry?
What?
Aramara mom. Hey, sorry?
No, and the rest of the world that says I.
No. She was saying A.
What?
She was bonding with me. Hey, sorry? Which means what? What? Sorry? You know, when you don't hear something, eh? Sorry? Huh? What?
Only Canadians say A.
It's a beautiful expression.
A?
Yeah? Hey? Right?
No, I said my eye was bothering me. She said I sorry.
Okay. Close it down. The earlier we do the games, the earlier I retire today. Goodbye, Top Step.
Just saying, I picking on his or her eye. Not hurt. Just feels like somebody threw sand in it. Or should I have said A?
A.
It's kind of like contagious, isn't it? A?
It's really fun. Close. Yes to all. No. Okay, we close. Perfect. Doesn't matter.
So I got a question. So, like, we're in Canada, right? We go to the mall or something. Y'all still got malls?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so we're in Canada. We go to the mall. We're walking through the mall. Do I hear a bunch of people saying, "Hey,
You will.
hey, you want to buy that? Hey, no, you can
Not
buy
a lot
this,
of people
hey?"
though, because it depends where you are. If you're in
Okay.
Quebec, it's going to be in French.
I think you told me this before, but what is A in French?
Quoi?
You said quoi?
Quoi?
What?
What? That's it.
I ain't never heard that
What?
one.
Nah. Why would you? You see French?
No, I don't speak French.
Okay.
Have a message retracted. But it looks like the message says, "Mike, do you speak French?" Wonder why it was retracted. Lewis,
do
did you delete that message?
Save and apply.
Or did YouTube do that? YouTube likes to do that from time to time. Lewis was asking if you speak French. I think you speak a little bit, don't you?
I speak a lot of it. I'm pretty much fully bilingual, but I have a shitty accent. People laugh at me when I speak French.
Well, your wife's French, right?
She is.
Did her and your daughter gang up on you and start like speaking really fast in French?
No, I don't even. When she speaks French, I don't even understand that. I don't even know she's speaking French. If you had come back to me after and say, what language did your wife just speak to you in, English or French? I wouldn't be able to tell you.
Oh, so you're that fluent?
Yeah, well, not that I'm so fluent. I'm just so used to her speaking with her accent and everything. So, I just understand what she said, and I don't even notice the difference. So for comprehension, yep, but only with her accent. You can bring me. I go out into the world.
It blocks
go
her.
into a store and they speak to me, and It's like, what did he say?
You speaking French, I block you. Americans call that selective listening. Do your wife and daughter, they speak really fast, like
Yeah, they're
like Spanish people sometimes, they speak really fast.
yeah, they're fully developed. My whole family is. I'm the only one that's less developed.
Do the boys too?
Yep.
They speak really fast too?
Yeah, well, we sent them to French school. You see, the mistake my parents didn't do is they didn't send me to French school. They sent me to English school here in the French province, where they had French classes, but, you know, just a couple hours a week.
Right.
And it held me back from a lot of opportunities. So I said, we're not going to make the same mistake. So the boys and my daughter went to French school till they were 18 years old. They didn't even speak English till they were like 7 or 8. My father used to say, I can't even speak to my grandchildren because my dad couldn't speak French. I said, don't worry, Dad. They're going to pick it up. Just give them time. English is an easy language to learn.
I just told them learn to speak French.
Save and apply.
I don't know. I feel like learning a language is a lot easier when you have people there to learn it with. Like if you're trying to, like, say your dad's trying to learn French or something, but he's trying to do it on his own, well, then it's hard.
Yeah.
I feel like if you have other people you're speaking with fluently, regularly, then I feel like it's a lot easier. I'm still working on English. Mikey, I'm right there with you. I tell everybody, look, I speak one language and I'm not even that good at
that. Guys, I just entered in the names into the game. I have no idea who entered in giveaway question mark in the overnight stream. I don't have any way of kind of really tracking that. Maybe I have to change my script and stuff. I think maybe Gilad and Miss K. Does that make sense? I think Gilad and Miss K did it in the overnight stream, right?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
Gilad, are you still there?
Make sure you put in Bama and Lewis. You got Mikey. Bama's going to get an extra ball. Bama's going to have Bama 1 and Bama 2 for his return. Yeah, I have everybody, I think. I have. Let me tell you who I have here. Bama, Gilad, Miss K, Bangs, Luis, Skeletor, and Mikey. And I'm pretty sure it's Miss K and Gilad who get the extra ball. It just sounds familiar. So we'll go with that. Yeah, guys, we have an overnight stream. We mentioned it a few times. It's an overnight broadcast. The trades are live. The charts are live, but it's a rebroadcast of the morning session. You know, between me and Omnius speaking, whatever. But yeah, you can also, if you're up or you're around, come in, visit, watch the trades, and type in giveaway question mark. It qualifies also. You do that on my stream, do that on Omnius' stream. That'll get you 2 balls for the qualifiers. Doesn't have to only be between, in the 9 o'clock to 9:15 slot. Gilad 2, save and apply. 12 players loaded. I'm getting better at this. I remember to share my screen right away. Look at that. And
Let's get onto your stream. You're ready to go. Mikey, I'm still working on English. Hey. We have a market maker.
I used to work with Spanish guys, and they're like, hey, man, learn some Spanish. So you know what we're saying? They was always worried that, like, I thought they were talking bad about me. Some people, when they can't understand people, they think they're talking bad about them. Like, hell, I don't care. If you are talking bad about me, you want me to hear it, say it in English. Otherwise, it ain't getting through. Like, learn Spanish. Like, man, I'm so bad at English. I need to work on my English more before I start learning a different language.
We have a guest market maker today. Aramara Mom is making an appearance as a market maker. She can't win, but she can cause you guys stress.
Oh, look at that. If she does win, you can play with your balls.
If she does win, well, then we'll just run it again.
What's the giveaway this week? Bull and Ox? Yeah.
Bull and Ox.
That reminds me. They changed their sale. Telephone. Tell them I'm not here. I don't want to talk to nobody. What is today?
We make the balls
tomorrow.
We don't have a lot of people, so I made the balls fucking big. That's gonna be funny.
Tomorrow's the last day for the Bull and Ox sale. Hungry. What's for lunch?
Yeah, I picked up a couple. I don't know. For me, it's going to be cottage cheese.
Again? Fuck sakes, man.
Yeah, what can you do? My daughter's on my case. You want to give a little bit of a speech about Bull and Ox and their specials and stuff before we click the game that is sponsored by Bull and Ox?
I mean, everybody knows Bull and Ox, right?
Everybody knows Bull and Ox. Sounds good. You ready to go?
Let's do it.
It's 89% off, guys, and the special continues in the following months. It's not just for 1 month, so take advantage of it. Codes are...
oh, yeah. Bull and Ox. When you get a discount on Bull and Ox, they continue it every month. Not like Apex, where you get it 1 month and the next month it's not there.
Codes are plastered everywhere.
I think everybody just typed a message at the same time. Now I got like 20 messages to read.
Pick your code. Pick your account.
Does overnight count yesterday evening? I would think so, right?
Where are you reading it?
Mikey asked.
Does overnight count? Yeah, absolutely. That's what I was saying, guys. You can type it in the overnight. You got it in the overnight, Mikey?
What is the
young way to go eat dinner? What is it trying for? The chat was frozen. Yeah, you got to explain to Luis how it works with the qualifiers and everything. Okay, Mikey. Sorry about that.
Drawings for the Bull and Ox account. It's a prop firm. Lewis, I know that you said you don't trade prop firms, but it's a prop firm, and it's today's game's a qualifier. Friday we do the giveaway for the 50K Bull and Ox account. And
how does the game work?
Last man standing, so you gotta be the last person on the board.
There's a stop out pit, Luis. So if you fall into the stop out pit, you're sucked into the vacuum of eternal losses, and you're off the board. And you got to be the last ball on the board, and you qualify. And we're gonna run 3 of them.
Bama, LOL, I'll take it. I don't know how long ago he wrote that message.
3 qualifiers.
Apparently the chat was frozen.
Hurry before we
I
get more
get to be a ball. Yay, you can all play with me. What?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Nope. Now I am.
Anyways, Lewis, answer the question. It's for prop account, 50K prop account.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, burst.
Do it. Oh wow! Look at the size of those balls.
Yeah, I wanted to see how big I can make them. Whoa, Maramom gets a nice drift to the side. Yeah, she's playing good for her first game. She hits the post 3 times. She drifts. I think we're going to have a winner in our... oh, I spoke too soon.
Uh-oh. Kick her out.
Gilad and Skeletor. Gilad with his 2 balls. The second ball is alive. Skeletor with his 1 ball. Guys, gravity is pushing to the right. I get to play with the gravity settings. The gravity, the float. The wind is blowing to the right, if you'll notice. So if you're falling straight down, you're... Yeah, if you're falling straight down, there's no falling straight down. It's a strong wind to the right today.
Oh, wow. That is strong.
Easterly, west, east. It's an easterly wind.
Lewis wants to know if he can gift if he wins.
I'm sure. But why not try and why not use it?
That's a good question.
Yeah, give yourself
you win, why not try it out? See if you like it.
Great way to get introduced to prop firms, see how it works. You're not risking any cash. It's free. You pass. Gilad, did I enter in the right thing? Maybe you can get the payout. Okay, you're ready to go for number 2.
Do it. Who won?
Hey, you didn't...
Gilad?
Gilad. You don't have to go to the bathroom? You usually have to go to the bathroom before we play. I mean, you know, I just don't want any accidents to happen. Maybe you forgot. Yeah, maybe you got so carried away with the stream. There's going to be a little bit of a stream. You know what I mean? Okay.
I see what you did there. The stream.
Yeah. The stream. There's going to be a stream. 1, 2, 3. Bunch of bees. Let's go. Knock yourselves out, guys. Give yourselves a bunch of headaches. If you're on the right side of the board, you're in a good area because the wind is still blowing to the right. Whoa! I don't know who that was, but someone got overexcited.
Lewis stopped out.
Omnius gone. Who would figure?
Bang, stopped out.
Yeah, you'd figure with the balls that big, when you hit the post, you wouldn't stop out. Whoa! You guys are getting some real extra speed there.
You got that wind pretty strong.
Yeah, it's blowing hard. Gilad.
This must be a game at the beach.
That is a strong wind coming over the mountains. Bama's got 2 balls left. And it's always Miss K. Did you know, Miss K, there's no way you can avoid getting stopped out. Not if you're going to hit the left post. Did you notice? Skeletor and Bama, do we have to wait? Do we even have to wait?
Yeah, Bama and Bama.
Bama and Bama.
Get it, Bama?
Guys. Bama gets 2 entries. If you're gonna double team, Bama, you got 2 entries for tomorrow, for Friday. That's a special. If you can do it, God bless you.
Roll Tide.
Roll Tide. Bama.
Get it. Good job, Bama.
And Bama. Okay, new rule. We make them up as we go along. If you got 2 balls in the game and you're the last man standing with both your balls, you just earned yourself a bonus ball. Okay, you want to change the wind? Let's change the wind. Let's blow the other direction now and see what happens. Supply settings. Let's make the balls a little smaller. Anybody? Yeah, okay, that's just a little smaller, not too much. Let's make them their size. Okay, and action. Now we got a strong wind to the left. That's where you want to hang out. 3, 2, 1, done.
Let's go. Bama going to try for that roll tide again.
Yeah, now if you got 2 balls, you really
Gilead's
don't want
out.
them to go in the pit. Never really played with the win settings.
Another Gilead out.
I like
Bama
playing with
out.
the win settings.
Miss K out. Aramar Mom out.
Anybody got double?
Ooh, Skeletor out. Bangs out.
What are
Who we
you
got
watching? You're watching. You're on delay. What the hell am I streaming for?
I'm on Discord. No,
No, you're not.
that's not Discord.
You're calling it. You're calling it 10-second delay.
That's Discord.
For a minute there, I'm shaking my head. I'm saying, "What is he reading wrong? Does he not know how to read?"
And y'all want me to learn a different language?
Miss K, did wind help you there?
Ooh, nice save.
The wind helped you there. The wind is
Bama's
really good.
out.
I like the wind. You
What do we got?
really
We got Lewis,
and
Miss K,
Lewis.
and Omnius. Omnius is there to cause trouble.
Boom!
Oh,
Omnius tries to knock Lewis, but Lewis actually managed to knock. Oh, Lewis, you're lucky there's a strong wind. Oh, you're lucky there's a strong wind. Oh, Lewis, Miss K.
Miss K tried to push him in. Miss K puts up a good battle.
Yeah, she knows how to play already.
All right, so what do you got? You got well, the first one was
Guys,
good.
if Miss K, guys, if you get the X42 joystick, you can control your ball online.
Wait, does that give the guys an advantage?
Well, absolutely. You can control the direction of your ball. You can steer it. What was it? Which controller? Which joystick? The XK911.
Oh, I thought that was slang for something. No,
It's the K911. The K911 joystick. You can control your ball.
K911 joystick.
Just making a save. Just making a dad joke. Okay, you know me for long goodbyes. I'm not big on them. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. I'm calling it here at 11:40, and we'll see you tomorrow, 11:15 or earlier, hopefully, if we don't have the same kind of problems that I had today. Thanks for hanging out, and as Miss K says, hit the like button on your way out.
Yep, smash the like button. See everybody tomorrow. Bama, good seeing you. Hope to see you again tomorrow. Lewis, hope to see you again tomorrow. Appreciate y'all hanging out. Bye, guys. Come on, the right thing. There you go.
The sharks have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled. Now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and future still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. The markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep. This is not the end. Own your future now. Let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Well, the trading day is done. The charts have had their say. Bulls and bears have battled, now we call it a day. With Nasdaq's lessons learned and futures still in sight, we'll be back tomorrow chasing profits right. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. Some wins, some losses, that's the trader's way. We learn, adapt, and come back to play. Tomorrow brings new moves, new chances to sway. So rest up now, we'll be back to trade. Streams ending soon, but we'll meet again. Markets never sleep, this is not the end. Own your future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real. So close the books, take a breath, unwind. The market's rhythm will always shine. Own no future now, let the charts reveal. With Nasdaq's rhythm, the grind is real.